शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
श्रीमान 24 जनवरी परेड पर एक अफसर 6 जुलाई इलेक्शन के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
Now, our Honorable Chief Special Case, Sri Shamator, Advisor, IT and C, Economics and Statistics, Evaluation Government Nagaland, is taking his time to come forward to inspect these parade contingents. I therefore request all the contingents to stand with your respectful position and receive inspectional nobility from our special case, Sri Shamator. Saka isayo handopu Sri Shamator abina parade contingents wo shua kya barjo parade contingents wo kotaka jiplana mapap de zidak de jippa abilang kya de abio parade contingents inspection sikiju lang kya long halam julam mengan kya de dip de mapap de jippa le lang kya lubo mushujo. Thank you so much, sir, for taking your time in inspecting the various contingents with keenness of love and showing your noble actions. Now our special case will take his time to speak to us on 75th. Istau Chini, Muhammad Muhammad Ibla dan Hato Jemana, Nusamlo Shi, Jising Kide Menyam Jigo Mushito, Apancho, Isaiah Handubu, Julian inspection Fudaiva, Julian Nusamlo Shi, Julian Yiva Duty. Kada dapat tu, Chile cuba, Nagaland Olympic tournament lah, kisah mulu buat, cuma nak je, maksudnya ada yang tu so awak lagi, awak program deh, Ini pun alung bersiap lu, alung bisa lembela. Saya jumlah belum kalau saya mau sempat langsung tetap di aja. Apa sudah jadi macam mana akan sih boleh? Sebuah langkah so. Isaro ground, asal pulang dan Muslim mukcing, asal pulang kami pulang kiaba, ada nasna. Kita akan buat demonstration kamsho, inspection sudah hantu baru bah, cuma no, ala zanglong de abis musuh. Istol bocing tersungannya maibla, cuma na, sambil saya suruh kia balik, anak kalis sih musuh, cak ke arba, sebab mana saya tu, kita yang dah sana, jual musuh ini anak atas pahiba. Performance, their forthcoming Nagaland Olympic performance. Vaikan their forthcoming Nagaland Olympic perform globally Jakan.
My dear fellow citizens, I extend my warmest greetings to the people of Nagaland on the occasion of the 75th Republic Day of our nation. As we celebrate this joyous and momentous day with the rest of the country, we are reminded with utmost reverence of all our freedom fighters, martyrs and heroes whose sweat, sufferings and sacrifices brought us independence from hundreds of years of foreign rule. India became a republic on the 26th of January 1950, and we have given ourselves a constitution which guarantees for all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. During the last 7 years and a half decades of a republic, the Indian nation remains steadfast to the ideals, goals, and values enshrined in our Constitution. We have also taken giant strides in various spheres of development, thereby commanding our place amongst the strongest and the most influential nations of the world. We aspire to reaching even greater heights of development and prosperity for our people.
Today we have 5 contingents. One is from DF Shamator. Second is from 9th IRB. Third we have which is from Sangpur. Fourth, we are from St. Siva Higher Secondary School, Shamator. Fifth is Christian High School, Shamator. And we have 510 from 14 Assault Rifles. Today, the 5 contingents are enthusiastically demonstrating the significance of marching together. Marching together is a sign of unity and simplicity. It is a flick of hope and strength of mind, hope of bright future. Today's parade commander is Assistant Commandant Tumpang RNB's 3rd NAB Shamator. And today's parade 2IC is APSI Wadimirans 9th IRB. Parade CHM is Havildar Tumpang Longse, DF Shamator. The first contingent with the colorful costume is from DF Shamator, led by Platoon Commander ASI Akam Imchur. The second contingent is 9th IRB, led by Havildar Matant Nota, 9th IRB. The third contingent with the cheerful face which is from Sangpur village, led by Naik Lunza. The fourth contingent with the court is from St. Siva Higher Secondary School, Shamator, led by Peter. We have the fifth contingent, that is from Christian High School, Shamator, led by Mr. Wongchi. And at last we have the Bible band from 14 Awesome Rifles. So thank you various contingents for demonstrating your acceptability of marching together. Your uniformity march is ready and lifeless. Thank you once again for respecting by your staff today. Well, धन्यवाद. Asal aku bagi